Hey you guys, it's Sunny Beauty. Thank you so much for choosing my channel. In this video, I will be doing an unboxing of the Ipsy October Glam Bag Plus. So let's go ahead and get into it right now. I've already opened it and looked in it. One of the products I've already used. So let's go ahead and get started. This is the October Plus box, and let's go ahead and get into it. The first thing that we have here is the bag. This is the standard that the $10 subscription comes in, where the sample products come into this bag. So this is the Ipsy bag. I like it. It has sequins on one side. It's like a whole Betty Boop thing they got going on. So here's the bag, leather on the other side. I actually like this bag. It looks like you can go straight in the bar or the club with it, like your cell phone and keys, and ideal fit perfectly into this. So this is the bag for the month, black. Our next product is the Gold Fatten MD Solution Dr. Scrub Ruby Crystal Microderm Exfoliator. So here's some of it. So it is kind of granular. I actually came across a really great scrub. The brand is Vazanti, and I came across that scrub also in the Ipsy subscription. I've been an Ipsy member for a number of years now, and so I've stumbled across a lot of great products as on the $10 sample side. So okay, I'll give this a try. Alright, so that is 2 products. We still have 3 more products to go. The next thing here is from Lovecraft Beauty, and this is a bronzing set. I used this shade to do the contouring on the look that I created today, and so far so good. It does give a warm, natural look. So you can see this on me right now, the Lovecraft Beauty. You can see it. Here is the 4th item, and this is an eyeshadow palette. This is an Ipsy edition eyeshadow palette. I'm not sure if it's their first one, but let me see if I can get it open without sticking my finger in it. Here we go. And I didn't stick my finger in it. Okay, so this is an eyeshadow palette, an Ipsy Betty Boop eyeshadow palette. Excited about that. It looks really pretty. Has a nice mirror here. I'm excited about that, so I'll do a review and a look on that one. And the eyeshadow that I'm wearing today is from an Ipsy subscription, and I'm really satisfied with this eyeshadow. So while we're sitting here, let's swatch a few and see what we got. You know, I'm always interested in a purple. It's like here lately I've been drawn to them. So here's a purple. Let's swatch it out. Alright, so it's kind of pigmented. Let's get this color right here. See what we got. Let me see. Let me hit one of the shimmers. I'll hit this one on the end since it already looks like I already put my finger in it. So here's a couple of shades from the palette. I'll definitely give it a try. So we have a full-size eyeshadow palette with 8 shades and a really nice mirror. This will go really nice in your makeup bag. It's small and compact. So the next item is Jolie Cosmetics, and it is a highlighting stick. And I'm going to go ahead and swatch this as well, and I'll swatch it right here. So this is highlighting stick. It's very creamy. As you can see, it has some payoff too. I'll just go ahead and try it right here. How about that? Let's give it a go. Let's see, then blend it out. Let's see what we got. Okay. Alright. Okay. So this is a highlighter. I like the tone line down a little. Okay. highlighting stick. Did it work? Let's see. I like how it goes on. It's really creamy. Easy. Like that. Okay, so the fourth product is Jolie Cosmetics, and it's a cream highlighting stick. There you go. Alright, and then the fifth item here, which I thought was extra special, because in the $10 Ipsy Glam bag, you will receive one brush. But in the plus bag, I actually received 3 brushes here. And these are from Farrah. Now let's open these up. From Farrah, which I thought was really awesome. 3 makeup brushes. Bronzing kit. An eyeshadow palette. A highlighter. And a face scrub. All for $25. So here are the brushes. And these are from Farrah. I'll go ahead and show you the name here. Let me turn that one around. Farrah. Alright, and then here are the heads. They are blue as well. Very pretty. They have like a blue, blackish. Yeah, these are blue. So these are Farrah brushes. And it has in here, this is a stippling brush that you get. Then you're getting a cheeky end brush, which you could use this to contour or apply your blush. You can also set your powder with it too, to be honest. This is a multi-functioning brush. This is a multi-functioning brush as well. You can use both of these to contour. And then this one as well, this seems to be a flathead synthetic brush. They're calling it a 20FF straight. Looks like I would use this to apply concealer on my under eye. And maybe apply a liquid concealer as a contour as well. But so these are 3 brushes that I received in the October box. Alright guys, so that is the October box. The next thing I'll do is make some videos for you guys and go through it as the month goes by. And at the end of the month, I'll make a series of videos on these products and giving my 100% honest opinion on all of them. So that was the October bag box Ipsy Plus. What I'm going to do is I'll drop in the description box the link to Ipsy if you would like to sign up for the subscription. For the money, you are getting a bang here. You are getting, for the Plus box, it's $25, but you are getting 5 full-size products for only $25. I did go in and calculate October's bag, and it was $135 retail if I had purchased those 5 items individually. So I think that is awesome. I will continue to patronize. So if you like this video, hit like, especially if it was some value to you. If you think it was value to you, it's 9 times out of 10 value to someone else. So go ahead and share it for me, please. And then if you'll subscribe to my channel so we can keep this relationship going. And like I always say, if you don't do anything else today, I want you to do these 2 things. I want you to stay beautiful, and I want you to love one another. And thank you so much for watching my channel, Asani Beauty. I appreciate the support. Mwah, mwah.